Welcome. Hello and welcome. Nice to see you all. Today, the topic that I'm going to speak around is how to drive your lifestyle. One has to learn the IPD method. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean you identify, predict, decide, and execute. Now, how does this help? Take for example, you're learning to drive a vehicle. What do? First, you identify the other moving vehicles, predict where they're going to do, what they're going to do next, decide how you're going to respond, and execute your responses decisively according to that. Now, this is a wonderful way in which a driving teacher explains how to drive. Now, how can you use this as a prescription for variety of problems? For example, let's identify problems. Now, nobody has a money problem. It's always an idea problem. Predict what this problem, having no money, will do to you if you don't do anything about it. Decide on your responses of the options and the alternative, then execute and act on the most positive options that you can imagine. Remember, it takes guts to lead the rust. Lifestyle habits will have to be changed. You don't have a problem to solve, it's just a decision to take. And this is an advice from the author Robert Hertz, who wrote the book Tough Times Don't Last, but Tough People Do. Now, conformity is a problem. We conform to our comfort zone. Now, every obstacle has an opportunity. In fact, if you are looking at the lack of courage that most people make in taking a decision, it's the lack in taking the right decision and also taking the tough decision. Now, every opportunity or obstacle or challenge can be an opportunity. When you are unemployed, list out new opportunities that you face to start your own business, opportunity to travel, opportunity to go back to school and relearn, or to relearn and learn again, opportunity for quality time with family and children or grandchildren. Now, how do I get a job when I'm unemployed? How do you catch a mouse? Now, this is something that we all need to know. We need to make a list of people to help us. Now, for that, you need to know what kind of food or what kind of drink will attract them towards you. I don't mean drinking and gambling and things like that. I mean, what kind of food will they like? The topic that you feed their brain with. Is it a big project? Is it a small project? Is it a medium project? Or are you challenging them so that you give them a big picture of your big project? So you need people who will donate money to you, give charity. In fact, if you can arrange for an event, it could be an open event, it could be a small event where people come and take part in the campaigns in order to contribute. It's like finding out the path where they can find water and food to get attracted to. You can attract people towards this business without money and change their lives. Now, with money, to attract money, you need to know one thing: time can be converted into money, and money will flow only if we are able to convert time into money. You need an idea what to work on and how to work with. When you need a job, where do you go for a job, and when do you throw out your bet? You put in your application, put ads in the papers, let people know you are available. Thank you.